the sun was so cruel
that all my tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever.
But you were history with a slam and locked the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you since then. But if I touch you like this,
Touch me like this,
if I hold you like that,
hold me like that,
I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any love's allowed. Baby, 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 it's
Alam niyo po, sila po ay isang 4-chair turner. Coach Chito, may pagkakaiba pa ba ngayon sa performance nila mula nung umikot ka sa kanila noon?
Alam nyo, nung ginagawa niyo yung performance nyo, feeling ko finals na eh. You are such a strong contender and this is what the competition is all about. Sobrang galing nyo, talaga linis, ang ganda, the drama, everything about it. Sarap panoorin, talagang galing.
Coach Tel.
Habang pinapanood ko kayo, para akong nanonood ng isang magarbong play. Yung emotions nyo together, yung actions nyo, the way you connect to each other, pasok na pasok. Congratulations.
Wow. Coach Billy, nabilib ka rin ba?
Ay, super. Super nabilib ako dahil you're both really powerful singers. Pero pag nagsabay kayo, walang sapawan and it really blends smoothly. So, wala akong masabi kundi sana sa akin na lang kayo. Pero ang galing nyo. Congratulations.
And I'm sure sobrang proud si Coach Julie sa inyo.
Ay, sobra. Sobra. Nakaka-proud kayong dalawa. At syempre, thank you din sa inyong dalawa sa passion nyo and sa dedication ninyo. I am so lucky na ako yung naging mentor ninyo at pinili nyo ako.
Ngayon po, 4 more groups are backstage. Coach Julie, sinong gusto mong isunod?